Stunning photos of everyday objects as seen under a microscope. A terrifying photo of an ant's face. Grains of salt under a microscope. A microscopic look at a bee's stinger versus the point of a needle. A microscopic image of a tapeworm's head. The compound eye of a yellow jacket wasp. Split ends of a human hair. The surface of a strawberry with strawberry seeds. Close-up view of a silk moth. A beetle's head up close. Bonded end of a microwire connected to a silicon chip. A caterpillar enjoying a leaf.